Hi, my name is Jean by the name of JPH Productions, man. JPH Productions here. Today is the day that I'm gonna show you guys, like, I'm gonna put my Weebill-S with my camera inside the cage and take picture of the birds. That's all. About the Weebill-S, if you really wanna know how to set it up, I got a video I make specially to know how to set up the Weebill-S to not like, sometimes you finish to set it up, you'll be like, it's stop on you or it's lack, it's something is missing. You just set it up properly the way you're supposed to. If you really want to see how I set up mine to not even stop on you, whatever you're doing, check right here. You will see exactly the way I just set it up. I'm using an Android phone, and that's all. Left to right and everything, pretty cool and accurate. And I can turn it all the way here, looking at my ugly face, and snap a picture. That's all. That's a cool, beautiful thing about the technology. Look at right now, I can sit down, lay down, and just put the camera inside the kitchen, snapping pictures. But I trust my lens, FE 24mm GMaster. That's what I'm using, f1.4. But those kind of lens, it's just like soon I put it inside, it's gonna open the cage, open the whole area. It's a wide angle, open it, and then I can take a big pictures. And when I get back to edit bay, I can grab the birds or whatever I didn't want to take it. I was shooting like the raw pictures because I love to little that touch my pictures. That's the best thing. And that's all. I'm using a power of the technology and taking picture of the birds. Just take a look. Sit inside it, they call it mullet. Put it inside, and then waiting for the birds to come eat. Soon they come to eat. That's the time I'm gonna snap pictures. Snapping pictures are crazy. Okay, that's it for today, man. I got a lot of pictures. I finished to take it. Like as you guys can see, I used the app, put it on my phone, and then put the whole thing inside the camera and the Weebill on top of a tripod. Set it up inside the cage and take a picture of the birds. That's all. If you feel like what I just showed you right now is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, man. That's all. And every week I put things out there, and you will be the first person to see it when you press the bell button. See you next time, man. Have a nice day. Thank you.